Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2016 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, cruise control, power windows, heated front seats, fog lights, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.